Awesome. Congratulations on completing module 1. So module 2 is all about content creation. Why are you talking about content when we are doing meta ads? It's very simple. Content is everything. So let's see of the topics that we are going to cover in this module. So I'm going to give you an intro. This is the intro video, obviously. So yeah, and then we have different videos of these topics of content is king, how to create hooks, how to stop the scroll, the power of UGC, types of content, ACC. It's not ACC cement. It's an abbreviation, which you're going to learn in that lesson. So, and how to supercharge with ChatGPT. So why are we talking about content when I am going to do a course on meta ads? Because content is your first touch point with your potential customer. What do you mean first touch point? They are either aware of your brand or they are not. So if they are aware of their brand, then that's the touch point that they have with your ads, right? So they know the type of ads, the products that you are giving with these ads. And if they're not aware of your product, and that's the first time that they are seeing your product being either worn, used, or given, or yeah, it's the application of your product that they are going to be seeing it for the first time. So that's the first touch point, the content that they see. And through content is where we get customers, we get traction into our website, into our funnels, uh, excuse me, into our funnels that we're going to talk about later, into our funnels where the customer is going to convert. A potential customer is going to become your customer. So content is what creates traction. It generates the leads for your website, and it's what buys. Simple. People buy content. People buy your product for your content and how your content is going to make them feel. It's very simple, right? So I'm going to try and help you create content for your products. And yeah, let's get started into this module.